Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to SKJ Review. If you're tired of paying monthly hosting fees and dealing with slow, unreliable servers, you're in the right place, my friends. How many of you have experienced this? Your website takes forever to load. Your AI apps keep crashing. You're paying $30, $50, even $100 every single month just for basic hosting. And when something goes wrong, support takes days to respond? Well, my friend, I was in the exact same situation until I discovered something revolutionary. Today I'm reviewing AI EngineHost, the world's first USA data center-based, Google AI server-powered hosting that lets you host unlimited websites and AI apps for a one-time payment of just $16.95. That's right, no monthly fees ever. This breakthrough hosting runs on NVIDIA GPU-powered servers and supports popular AI models like LLaMA 3, DeepSeek, Grok 1, and Mistral 7B. Imagine having your own AI-powered hosting where you can install 400+ web and AI apps with just one click, host unlimited websites and domains, and get blazing fast performance optimized specifically for AI applications. The best part? You can even create your own monthly AI subscription platform and keep 100% of the profits. But wait, there's so much more to cover about this game-changing hosting solution. Let me dive deeper into why AI EngineHost is a game-changer. First, it's powered by cutting-edge NVIDIA GPU servers located in top-tier USA data centers, meaning lightning-fast load times and 99.9% uptime for all your sites and AI tools. You get unlimited NVMe SSD storage and bandwidth. No more worrying about hitting storage limits or extra charges during traffic spikes. It includes free SSL certificates for all domains, daily automated backups, and advanced DDoS protection to keep your data safe. The built-in one-click installer lets you deploy WordPress, WooCommerce, or open-source AI models like Falcon and GPT-NeoX in seconds. No technical skills needed. Plus, you're getting a drag-and-drop website builder, unlimited email accounts, and full DNS management. Whether you're a blogger, developer, agency, or entrepreneur, this platform scales with you. And here's the kicker, it comes with a commercial license, so you can host and manage websites for clients and keep all the profits. Normally, this level of hosting would cost you over $197 per month with other providers, but with AI EngineHost, you pay a one-time fee of just $16.95 during this limited-time offer. They're even throwing in a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk. But that's not all. The first 99 action takers get instant free access to the AI App Engine, worth $2,997, allowing you to run large language models effortlessly. Stay tuned because in the next section, I'll show you exactly how to get started and share some incredible results. Now let me show you the incredible value you're getting. Normally, hosting with these premium features would cost you over $197 per month with other providers like GoDaddy or HostGator. But with AI EngineHost, you pay just one-time $16.95 and get lifetime access. That's like saving over $12,000 every year. The setup is incredibly simple, just 3 easy steps and you're ready to go. Step 1, access the AI EngineHost control panel and connect your domain. Step 2, use the user-friendly dashboard to manage all your hosting needs. Step 3, with one click, install WordPress, AI apps, or popular AI models like LLaMA 3 and Grok 1. What really impressed me was how quickly I could set up multiple websites and AI tools simultaneously without any technical knowledge. Plus, they include a commercial license absolutely free, so you can host websites for clients and keep 100% of the profits. And here's the best part, if you try it and feel it's not for you, they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee with no questions asked, so there's absolutely zero risk. But honestly, once you experience the blazing fast speed of NVIDIA GPU-powered servers and the freedom of unlimited hosting, you'll wonder how you ever managed with traditional hosting providers. So who exactly is AI EngineHost perfect for? If you're a digital marketer, blogger, agency owner, developer, or entrepreneur looking to host multiple websites and AI tools without breaking the bank, this is made for you. A commercial license means you can host unlimited client websites and keep all the profits, making it perfect for agencies and freelancers. Students and beginners will love the drag-and-drop builder and one-click installers that require zero technical skills. Even established businesses can benefit from the enterprise-level features at a fraction of the cost. Now, I always believe in being completely transparent. While AI EngineHost offers incredible value, it's important to remember that this is a shared hosting environment optimized for AI applications. For extremely high-traffic enterprise sites needing dedicated servers, you might need additional resources. However, for 95% of users, including those running multiple WordPress sites, AI tools, and client projects, this is more than sufficient. The 99.9% uptime guarantee and 24/7 VIP support ensure your sites stay running smoothly. I've been using it for several weeks now, hosting multiple client websites and AI applications, and I haven't experienced any downtime. The speed is consistently fast, and the ability to install AI models like DeepSeek and Mistral 7b directly on my hosting has been a game changer. Now let's talk about the biggest concern people have: is this really worth it? Well, let me break down the numbers for you. Most hosting providers charge $30 to $100 per month for basic shared hosting. That's $360 to $1,200 per year, and over $12,000 in 10 years. With AI EngineHost, you pay just $16.95 once and get lifetime access. The math speaks for itself. But here's what really convinced me: the first 99 action takers get free access to the AI App Engine worth $2,997. This alone is worth more than 175 times your investment. Plus, you're getting unlimited websites, unlimited domains, unlimited SSD storage, free SSL certificates, daily backups, and premium support, all with no monthly fees ever. I know some of you might be thinking this sounds too good to be true. I thought the same initially. But then I realized they can offer this incredible price because they've eliminated the recurring costs of customer acquisition and account management that monthly hosting companies have. This is a launch special to build their user base quickly. The price will definitely increase soon, and might even switch to monthly payments once they have enough users. So this is truly a limited time opportunity. But don't just take my word for it, try it risk-free with their 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't love it, you get every penny back. So there you have it, friends. AI EngineHost is genuinely a game changer in the hosting industry. To quickly recap, you get lifetime AI-optimized hosting powered by NVIDIA GPU servers, unlimited websites and domains, one-click installation for 400-plus apps and AI models, commercial license to host client sites, and everything for a single payment of just $16.95 instead of $197 monthly. If you're ready to stop overpaying for hosting and want to experience blazing fast, AI-powered performance, I've put the special discount link in the description below. The first 99 people to use my link also get that bonus AI App Engine worth $2,997 absolutely free. But you need to hurry, this early bird pricing won't last long. I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below once you try it out. Let me know what projects you're planning to host with AI EngineHost. If you found this review helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe to SKJ Review for more honest tech reviews. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.